Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we're going to take down Valentines and decorate the bar for St. Patrick's Day. All right, so like I said, I don't decorate very heavily for St. Patrick's Day, just a little bit, because I have too much. I just went into my attic and I was horrified at how my items were put away. And I know not to trust others, but oh man, half my winter is still up there. Whatever. So, we have a gold coin that fell off of something. So I have this, let the shenanigans begin. Some charms, lots of things for tiered trays. Oh, that's what it was. These were glued on top of here. So I'm going to have to re-glue those if I want to keep it. Do I want to keep it? I don't know. Then we have this. Just trying to see where I got this from. Not sure. Maybe Walmart. Lucky Clover or Shamrock lights. Got lots of those. Another one of these and some more coins. Lucky Charm with the pretty beads. And the shamrocks. Yeah, see, I have this one. Guess I could glue the other one. And I just have that. Yeah, I went to Michael's and, oh look, this is Duke's little bandana. And it says feeling lucky. So we'll have to put that on him. And then I have Happy Go Lucky. So I went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby, probably Walmart, places like that. A lot of places don't have St. Patrick's Day. It seems like it might be picking up now, which is dangerous because that means I'm going to want to buy it all. We're not buying anything this year. All right, I'm going to go take this and repair it in the craft room, and then we will get back to decorating. All right, now we have a little pot of gold. Cute. Shamrocks. And then we have our shakers. I didn't bring down my little shaker of my gold coins. I got to get that. And I found this, which I like to put around my lamps in the springtime. So that makes me happy. All right, now I'm ready. All right, since we're lacking a little bit in the decor, we just moved that to the middle. It's a little bit of leprechaun dust. Lucky. All right, friends, that's it for this edition of St. Patrick's Day decorating. Short and sweet. I don't have a lot. These need to be ironed, but will I? No. Okay, great. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on those bell notifications, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye.